Welcome back to our creative crafting corner. Today I have an exciting project for you, decoupage on a cookie tin. So to start with, we are using this artist gesso, which is acrylic gesso. So we need to first dampen this sponge and give it a nice dip on acrylic gesso and start dabbing on the surface. Gently dab it all over the tin surface in the random or any motion, and then avoid pressing it too hard or scrubbing it vigorously. Continue applying gesso and reload the sponge with more gesso if required. Pay attention to any corner or edges. Ensure it gives even coverage. Allow the gesso to dry completely. The drying time will depend on the type and the brand the gesso is used, and you can follow the manufacturer instructions. Once the first coat is dry, then check the surface of any areas that require additional coverage. If needed, repeat the process of applying gesso. Likewise, I am applying gesso on the second tin as well. It's completely dry now. Once you are satisfied with the gessoed surface, it is ready for further artistic application. You can draw, paint, or whatever you want to do. Consider the design, the arrangement which you want to achieve. Here I am going to use this heart shape of roses on the top of the tin. Then we have this small heart, butterfly, roses. We can use it on the bottom part of the tin. Using water and brush, I am going to cut this tissue. We can use scissor as well and cut out the desired shapes which we require. So here as you can see I have two Mod Podge, one from Fevicryl and other from plate. I'll be using Mod Podge from plate as I feel that this gives the excellent coverage in terms of sealing. Using a paint brush or foam brush, apply a thin layer, even layer of decoupage glue on the area where you will be placing the tissue work. Work in small sections to prevent the glue from drying too quickly. Take a piece of tissue paper and gently place it onto the wet glue. Smooth it down with your fingers or a soft brush, starting from the center and working your way outwards. Make sure to smooth out any wrinkles or bubble as you go. Next I'm gonna take this Mod Podge from plate and I'm going to apply this all over the tissue. Once you have placed all the tissue paper pieces and are satisfied with the design, apply a final coat of decoupage glue over the entire surface. This will seal the tissue paper and provide a protective layer. Ensure that glue is evenly spread and covers the entire area. So as you can see, this was very beautiful tissue. I have utilized every part of it. I have taken out these hearts, these flowers and butterfly. Now let's see how we can paste it. As As you can see, I have pasted all 4 bunch of flowers from tissue paper on this lower part of tin. I am evening it out with cling film. Patience is a key when it comes to drying decoupage projects. Rushing the drying process can lead to smudging, wrinkling, or even damaging the tissue paper. Allow sufficient drying time as recommended. For long lasting results, it's essential to seal the tissue paper with the final coat of decoupage glue. Sealing protects the tissue paper from moisture, wear, and tear, ensuring the longevity of your decoupage project. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, brush a generous coat of varnish over the entire surface of the tin. This will seal the papers and your work and give your project a glossy finish. Here's another tin which I have decorated. I will fast forward this video, steps we have already taken care in the previous tin.